right, here we go.
Welcome to el-Khalili, one of the most iconic and atmospheric markets in all of Cairo. If you've ever wondered what it really feels like to wander through these historic alleys, this walkthrough video is your perfect sneak peek. We're visiting Cairo for just 17 hours to see the pyramids, the Sphinx, and the Citadel, but this market is the kind of place that instantly pulls you into Egypt's living history, and you'll see why. el-Khalili isn't just a marketplace. It's been the heart of Cairo's trading culture for over 600 years. Built in the late 14th century during the Mamluk era, it quickly became a bustling caravanserai where merchants from Africa, the Middle East, and Asia traded gold, spices, textiles, and handcrafted treasures. Today, it's still alive with energy, only now you'll find everything from traditional lamps and jewelry to perfumes, copperwork, scarves, and handmade souvenirs. In this video, I'm taking you along for a real-time walk through the market. No staging, no rushing, just an honest look at what you'll find when you wander through the maze-like lanes of el-Khalili. You'll see the colorful shops, the craftsmen at work, the sounds, the textures, and the incredible atmosphere that make this place so unforgettable. If you're planning a visit, this will help you know exactly what to expect, what it feels like, how busy it can be, and the kinds of things you'll encounter along the way.
I know you like coffee. Here is this place alone 300 years ago.
Along the way, you'll see one of the oldest coffee shops in Cairo, beautifully decorated and absolutely dripping with character. These historic cafes have long been gathering places for artists, poets, travelers, and locals. They're the perfect spot to sip a mint tea, enjoy a shisha, and soak in that timeless Cairo atmosphere. If you visit el-Khalili, make time for at least one cafe stop. It's part of the experience. The architecture here still reflects its medieval roots. Many of the buildings date back centuries with carved wooden facades, arched alleyways, and classic Mamluk stonework. In the past, the market was organized by trade, metal workers in one area, perfumers in another, jewelers in another, and even today you'll feel that sense of organized chaos, where every corner reveals something new. el-Khalili is a treasure trove for shoppers. Expect to find hand-blown glass and mosaic lanterns, brass and copper lamps, scarves and clothing, perfumes and essential oils, jewelry, silver, gold, and costume, leather goods, spices and teas, ceramic and hand-painted pieces. This walkthrough should give you a clear sense of what's authentic, what's touristy, and what catches your eye. Now, if it's your first time in Cairo, having a guide with you can make a huge difference. Markets here can be lively, energetic, and full of salesmanship. A good guide helps you navigate the stalls hassle-free, keeping unwanted solicitation to a minimum, and lets you enjoy the experience without feeling pressured. They'll also help with bargaining, explain local customs, and steer you toward high-quality shops instead of tourist traps. If I wasn't going to Morocco in a few weeks, I would have stayed here and bargained a little longer. They didn't accept my $150 deal for 2 copper lamps, so now I know.
Having some serious fun lamp shopping.
If you love markets and shopping around the world, stay tuned because I'll have more detailed videos coming up about our souk experience across Morocco and what it was like shopping for all the treasures we brought home. From rugs to pottery to lamps and handmade crafts, those markets are a whole adventure of their own. What we loved about el-Khalili is that it feels like stepping into another time. The sounds of the vendors, the glimmer of the hanging lamps, and aroma of spices and coffee. It's a full sensory experience, even if you're not shopping. Wandering these alleys is one of the best things to do in Cairo. It feels alive, vibrant, and truly connected to the city's history. A few quick tips. Bring small cash for purchases. Bargaining is expected, so don't be shy. Visit with a guide if you prefer a stress-free experience. On our trip, having a guide made the whole experience relaxed and fun, and it lets you focus on enjoying the beauty of the market instead of worrying about where you're going or who's approaching you. And try to come earlier or just before evening. It's stunning as the lanterns start to glow. And enjoy getting lost. That's part of the fun. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of el-Khalili. If you're planning to explore Cairo or just love discovering markets around the world, I hope this gave you a helpful look at what to expect. We have some great videos coming up of our walks through the Morocco souks too. In my next video, we're also covering our 17 hours in Cairo, including the pyramids, the Sphinx, and the Citadel, and so much more, plus our 2 days in Luxor. Follow along to enjoy more adventures, especially as we uncover Africa.